Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kathleen, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you a concealer hack that's been blowing up all over social media. I've seen it on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to hop on and share it with you guys. So if that interests you, stay tuned. Okay, so this concealer hack originated from the makeup artist Scott Barnes. He used it, I guess, all the time on his clients. And for those of you who don't know who Scott Barnes is, he is a celebrity makeup artist who did J-Lo's makeup for years. I'm not sure if he still does it, but that's where he originated. So anyway, what this is it's so simple and easy and really very inexpensive way to incorporate into your beauty regimen if you suffer from under eye creasing, dryness under your eye, or around your nose, label folds, and those areas. Like, you simply just use the chapstick Aquaphor, right? And simply go underneath your eye and around your nasal label folds. You can use it on your lips if you get dry around here. Some people do. And also, you can also use the advanced therapy one. You can use that on your neck, and that just really keeps it hydrated. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to bring the camera in a little bit closer to you so you can see what I'm doing. And okay, so right now the only thing I have on my face is I have my eyes done, I have mascara on, and I have my eyebrows done, and I also have some lip pencil on my lips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Aquaphor. So step one, you start with a clean, dry face. Use any of your serums, moisturizers, whatever you need to use on your face to kind of like put some hydration in there. And then simply what you do is you just take this, push it up, right? It's a chapstick, and you simply just go in underneath here and you just take it and rub it underneath your eyes. And go over here. This is a common problem that a lot of people get, like with their concealer. And then also he went in here and did it. You can go in here, you can go under your nose. So like I said, the only thing, I have my eyes on, I have my mascara on and my eyebrows, but I don't have anything on my face. I don't have any foundation on, or I don't have any concealer on. Okay, and then you can go down your lips too and do it, like underneath here. If you get dry, I get dry underneath here. Okay, and up under my nose. Okay, and it's just really gonna lock in that hydration so that when you do put your foundation on, you don't have to worry about if the air is dry, or you know what I mean, if you do have a tendency to get dry in these areas, it's not going to cake up there and look dry and cakey. So next I would go in, I'm going to take this Say concealer, and I'm going to go in and I am going to just go here, here, and here, 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 and here. Then I'm going to take my concealer brush. This is my Sonia G. The jumbo concealer brush, and I'm just going to go and I'm going to tap that in underneath there. Now this is a lot of concealer for me. I don't normally put this much concealer on, but I really want to see what happens when you do, have a tendency to put a lot of concealer on, what happens on that under eye there. But I like this, also like this Say concealer because it is a very hydrating concealer too. So, I mean, definitely the key is hydration for your under eye. You don't want to use anything that's, at least for me, I have very dry skin. If you have dry skin, like using anything matte, like just kind of really just, dries it up underneath there and sets it. So I'm going to keep pressing that into my skin and bringing it up. So just kind of pat it in. You can also take your ring finger, that's my middle finger. You can also take your ring finger and go up underneath there. And the reason people like to use their ring finger is because it has some, it's your body, and it can be warm, so it can kind of really warm up that concealer and press it into the skin. So, and basically guys, that is it. That's really all you have to do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my foundation on. Pressing that in. So yeah, it looks very hydrated. Let me bring you in a little bit closer. Let me put my concealer on, and I'll bring it in close so you can see how it looks. And next I'm going to go in, I'm going to take a little bit of setting powder and go underneath my eye and then around this area here. So I'm just going to take this Givenchy Prism Libre powder. I'm going to go in, I'm going to bring that down here. And those areas where it kind of gets things like the cake. I'm tapping that underneath here, very gently. Let me just put a little bronzer and blush on, and then I'll zoom in a little bit closer so you can see. So guys, that's pretty much it. Let me zoom you in a little bit closer so you can see underneath there. So it's not creasing at all. Yeah, it looks pretty hydrated. That's a lot as concealer for me, but I really wanted to see how it's going to hold up. Let me back away. Hey everyone, so that's pretty much it. That is my Aquaphor concealer hack that originated from the makeup artist Scott Barnes that I've seen blowing up on all of social media. And just comment below, let me know if you've ever used this before. If you do, what were the results that you got from using it? And if you gained any value from this video, please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye, everyone.